Welcome back, superstars! Let's check out 2 fun and easy ways to master the 5 times table. For the first trick, we'll use a simple grid with 2 rows and 5 columns. Go ahead and draw the grid, and we'll be all set to fill it in. Remember, you can pause the video anytime. Ready? First, let's fill in the ones' digits. In the top row of the grid, starting from the left and going across, write the numbers 5, 0, 5, 0, and 5. Then, in the next row below, write 0, 5, 0, 5, and 0. Next, let's fill in the tens digits. In the top row, write 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2 in front of the ones' digits. In the bottom row, write 3, 3, 4, 4, and 5. And just like that, our grid is ready. Now, let's see how it works. Start from the top left box and read across. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. And there you have it. The entire 5 times table is right there on our grid. Pretty cool, right? Now let's check out the second trick. Start by writing the digits 0 to 6 twice, going down in a column like this. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6. Now, all we need to do is write 0 and 5 next to each number, going from top to bottom in this pattern. 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Repeat this pattern for the rest of the numbers. Let's see how it works. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60. We don't have to stop at 5 times 12. We can keep going. Have a look. Cool, isn't it? Here's a bonus trick to make learning the 5 times table even more fun, using a simple grid with 4 rows and 4 columns. Step 1. Fill in the ones' digits. In the top row, starting from the left, write the numbers 0, 5, 0, and 5. Now, follow this same pattern for the rest of the rows. It's just 0, 5, 0, and 5, repeating all the way down. Step 2. Fill in the tens digits. Now we add the tens digits in front of the numbers. For the top row, write 0, 0, 1, and 1 in front. In the second row, write 2, 2, 3, and 3 in front. For the third row, write 4, 4, 5, and 5. In the last row, write 6, 6, 7, and 7. And that's it. Our grid is ready. Let's see how it works. 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. 5 times 11 equals 55. 5 times 12 equals 60. 5 times 13 equals 65. 5 times 14 equals 70. 5 times 15 equals 75. So, which trick do you like best? Cool! Keep practicing, and you'll be a math whiz in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks. Thanks for watching!